Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alok and today we're going to discuss a very important point. I'm going to give you some very experienced tips on how to study a novel quick, better, comprehensively and according to the requirements that you might have. So first of all, suppose you are a student of graduation and you have to study a few novels in your syllabus, say Victorian novels, romantic novels or novels of the modern age, then it is very advisable that you should go through all those novels thoroughly, like from the cover on the top to the blurb, first page to the last page. You should not miss a single line. This is very essential because you might have to answer all those long answer type questions and you are required to know all those mini episodes that might have an impact upon the plot or the issues concerned with the novel. And then coming a little further, coming to an advanced stage, suppose you are a student of post-graduation and you have to study a few novels in your syllabus in 2 years. Then there also you are required or advised or supposed to go through all those novels thoroughly, line by line, chapter by chapter. This is also essential because you have to answer naturally in your MA exams as well. And to write all those answers, you need to have the idea of all those episodes by heart. And then coming to the most crucial part of this video, how to study novels from NET examinations point of view. How to study a novel if you are supposed to appear in the NET examination after 6 months or after 1 year or maybe just next month or after 2 months. You have shortage of time, you have shortage of space, and you also have shortage of that reliability. Like I have 2 years or 3 years or I have 1 year, I will study this leisurely, I will study this whenever I have time. So coming to the NET examination, you lack time, you lack that relaxed period of study, you also lack focus, if you are being honest, because you think this is just an objective examination and I can manage it that way. But there is a catch. Objective examinations become more difficult when we weigh or compare them side by side with examinations where you have to write longer answers. To write a long answer, you can make your arguments one after another, you can make your issues, you can make your agenda, and you can just make it possible, make it happen if you know literature well. But in objective examinations, you have 4, 5, 6, 3 options and you have to circle one perfect dot. And this is something that you cannot guess or you cannot conjecture. This is something where you have to be upfront, straightforward and instant. So to study a novel from NET's point of view, you should have access to all those materials available on the internet or in some books. Books like companions to various perspectives of English literature will be very helpful. For example, you can study a companion to Victorian novel, a companion to romantic novel, or a companion to English novel. Companions to English literature in general are also very helpful because these books give you a basic idea, the basic plot and also the basic issues that a novel deals. So you just browse the title in your book in digital or physical format and you know what happens and what are the major episodes in that particular novel, what are the major characters and what are the major issues critically that this novel associates with. So this will be helpful. And then the second thing that you can make use of is Penguin's Guide to Certain Novels provided by them on their website. These are basically teacher's notes that you can use very wonderfully while you are preparing for NET examinations and you have to deal with certain novels. And then you can also just go through the novel, just have a glance of the novel that you don't even know. Randomly, you pick out certain chapters and tick those, mark those, and you decide like I will study this chapter and that chapter that you acquire information about from internet, that these chapters are very important. So you have to have the idea of the novel, you have to have the names of all those characters, and you have to have the major themes dealt by those novelists in your mind. And this will come very handy when you're sitting in your NET examination classroom. So for graduation, you have a different strategy. For post-graduation, you have a different strategy. And for competitive examinations like NET, SAT, or other examinations, you should have a very ready, a very straight and very forward strategy. You cannot go through all those titles one by one because you don't have that much time. So you have to make use of whatever time you have, and to make use of that time, you have to create and execute certain strategies which are instant and also helpful, beneficial at the same time. So this is all that I have for today, and I'll be back with more videos, more discussions, and more important topics on this channel. So keep a watch. Until then, all the best. Have a very happy New Year. Thank you.